Hi, my name is Eugene and welcome to my house. My theme is for my house is practical and modern. We try to make it is suitable for because we have kids, so we try to have many storage. Actually, don't have a specific theme lah, but it's basically practical lah. Okay, the favorite part of our house would be this TV area. Yeah, because I think this is where we will all sit down and relax. Okay, I found my ID through Renopedia. So actually Renopedia recommended me 5 to 7 IDs and I finally got to choose this Y Design Private Limited. Yeah, because I think the consultant Amos, we feel very comfortable with him, and he actually is also practical. So he gives us a lot of practical ideas and we actually quite like his ideas. And we think that he's very professional. We also went to other more established companies, but the quotes also very expensive. So Amos gave us Y Design gave us quite a very reasonable quote. So I think we decided to go with Amos and Y Design Private Limited. That was quite one late evening. Amos called me because I was quite surprised to receive this call because we have almost finished our renovation. So he told me, yeah, I won this $2,000 from the Renopedia lucky draw. So I was quite glad lah. So far my ID is okay, and I think his contractors are also quite good. With this current situation, the COVID situation, it's quite hard to find manpower. Initially, I was quite worried because his is not those very big company. But at least I think he managed to get all his contractors and come in to do up all the carpentry, plumbing, electrical, all quite smoothly. Yeah, I would like to recommend Y Design and Amos in particular. Yeah. Bye.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.